Hey there, I'm back again, second time today, but it's because I'm shooting video, my hair looks good, and I have makeup on. But I had somebody ask a question on the video I left this morning, and so I'm gonna read this. So she's saying, from the video I was talking about this morning, where I was talking about not changing yourself, right? And so she's like, so please explain, are you saying that if you're avoidant, you should make no effort towards your partner? Oh shit, what is it? Oh no. Anyways, here's the deal. Making an effort comes from inside and wanting to feel like the best version of yourself. That doesn't mean trying to be perfect or anything else. What that means is getting past your avoidant tendencies. So, in other words, let's say that my husband's like, can you be nice right now? I don't know, like I'm just making this up, okay? And I'd be like, how do I actually feel? Well, I don't really feel nice right now, and I would share that, okay? Instead of being an asshole. Or instead of just reacting and be like, you know what, I don't really feel that way right now. This is how I feel. So I don't give up who I am, but I show up in the relationship and I show up compassionately and openly. And when I don't feel compassionate, I'm like, I'm not really in a compassionate mode at this moment. Maybe in the next moment I will be, but I'm honest. And that is something avoidants have a hard time with because we're always waiting for somebody to say, no, you can't do that because you only have this tiny little circle of what reactions That was cute, huh? I'm gonna allow, okay? Because you're only allowed to do certain things, right? Like you think you have to be a people pleaser in a relationship because that's the only way people are gonna accept you. So we have this really small perimeter of who we think we can be. Otherwise we are going to get left. We're gonna get tossed to the side, kicked to the curb. And it's not true. And we won't push that. Instead we'll push the story in our head that says, oh no, if I do this, this will happen. And we have this whole story, which is a bunch of crap because it's not true. Because what you're missing when you have these stories and you get caught in all those details is you're missing yourself. You're not connected to yourself. And it's taking responsibility for how you feel in the moment. And it's not changing into somebody who's pleasing somebody else at your own expense. So that is my long ass way of saying that. And with that, that's my last video today.